Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to remove and replace the carburetor on a Redmax BCZ260TS string trimmer. Let's get to it. First off, you take the air filter cover off. Put it to the side. Next, you'll have your T25 Torx. There's two screws right here. This holds the carburetor on. Well, first, let's take off the throttle. First, you're gonna spin the throttle. You see the grommet right, the lead piece right here that holds it in place. You pull it up, let go of it, throttle's taken out. Unscrew this. Throttle's out of the way. Now you undo your T25 Torx. Carburetor just comes off. Here's your gasket. This is your choke plate. Remove your lines. Take a screwdriver. Pop that up. Here comes your fuel lines. And that's it. Next, I'll be showing you how to replace. Alright, so now I'm going to be showing y'all how to put a new carburetor on after removing everything. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your new fuel lines and your new grommet, and you're going to put it in like this, shove it down, push the grommet into place. Alright, take your screwdriver every now and then and push it in. Make sure it snaps all the way in, all the way around. Just like that. Alright? Next, you're going to take your carburetor. This is right here. Your new gasket. And here's your choke plate. It goes like this. Take your carburetor. Put it on here. You see the gasket? This seals to this plate. Put it on. That. Take your gasket. You're going to put it on this. Sorry, I'm upside down. Okay, put it on like that. The fuel lines. The fuel line goes to the back. The purge line goes to the front. Sometimes they're different on different machines, but on these Redmaxes, this is what it is. Take it. Put it on like that. Take your T25 Torx. Tighten it down a little bit. Don't over tighten one side more than the other. Get it good and snug. Take your ratchet. Tighten it down. Take your fuel, your there's a groove that it goes into. Right here, there's a bigger hole on one side that the throttle goes into, and it holds it in place. You got to tighten this up in order to get more room with the throttle cable. Alright, see how it's in that groove? Let go of it. Good to go. Alright, let's try to crank it. Prime it up. Good and primed. Throw it on choke. Make sure it's on. Sounds great. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.